Today I will show you how to debug Xcode program or Xcode apps. So this is my program and now I am run this. Build succeed already. This is very simple program. It's a additioning program. So we can see here, enter your first number and enter your second number. So first number just enter 30, or second number I can put here 50. So it's an addition program. Click and I can see here the addition number is 80. Okay, so now I will check this program and how to debug this. Okay, so at first if I want to check my error or my value, which value I am entering here, so I can check here using breakpoint. So like this line is 28. If I want to check this line, I can click here this symbol. It's a breakpoint. First, second, third. So many you can add here. If you need, you can add here. Okay. Now done this. The value is 20 and this one is 30. Click. When I'm click this and the addition button is this, hit here and we can show here the number. The first number is this 20. Just touch my mouse point the first number. Okay, 20 and next second number 30. You can see here the 30 and 20. If you want to try the different way is here. You can see here the PO means it means print object. Okay, PO. If you want first number check, just print here first number, enter, wait, you can see here the 20. Okay, if you want second number, just PO print object, the second number is ACCO and the second number, enter. Okay, 30. So next is answer. Answer is the variable where we can take the two variables 30 or 20 and this is the addition. Okay, 30 or 20's addition number is already 50. Okay, it prints 50. If you want to check this answer, PO print object is answer. The next is the level results, where you can see the total addition number, and this is the message, the addition number is. Okay, so if I want to check the level results, I can check here POLVL results.text, enter. The addition number is 50. Okay, so now we have to know that how to remove the breakpoint. Okay, so if I want, I can remove breakpoint from here. Just click and drag and drop to screen. This, just click, left click and drag and drop to screen. Okay, it's one process, and if you want, you can use this process. Select the show breakpoint navigator. Okay, select and you can show whole of the breakpoint. So just click and select all, command or A or control A, command A, and all of breakpoints are selected. Just press the delete button, so we can see here all of the breakpoints are removed from our program. Okay, thank you.